Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to import media files in Filmora. Yes, to import media files here, whether it is clips, images, audio or video, whatever, you have to visit here File. Click on this, then you will get so many options. But we have to do one thing, that is import media, and then you will get this section: import media files, import a media folder, import from a camera or phone, import with instant cutter tool. But we want to import media files. Click on this. Now you can import media files from anywhere where you kept your file. So now I'm in download section, so I will select one video here, this, and then I will select one music here, this, and this. I will go one by one, or I can go directly with 3 all. So I have selected 1, 2, 3. This is video, this is audio, music, and note this. I will select one image, this is image, and after that I will click on open. Now you can see video, audio and image. Now I'm going to show you by dragging this video on timeline. Yes, okay, it's coming all together. I will select this, I will drag it here. This is number 1. I will select the size 1920 into 1080. Okay, now you can see I will play here. To play, you just give space bar. So you can see the video here. Okay, you just don't think that this is like animated. This is animated. I didn't do anything with the video. Yes, in the same way you can drag anything here. Okay, I will drag this image here. Now I will play it. Okay, so if you want to edit this video, we will learn in upcoming lessons. For now, this much only. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.